Okay friends, to get started on this crank sensor, you can see it from right underneath the vehicle. So I'm just going to spray down the area. A bit of penetrant there. Following the wires, we want to go ahead and push on this area of the connector and then go ahead and give this a nice little wiggle and draw it off of there. I always like to inspect the wiring to make sure there's no funny colors, and then I set it aside. We're going to remove our mounting bolt right here using a 13 millimeter. Okay, there it is. So now I'm just going to use a screwdriver. You can also use a pry bar. I'm going to come in between the bracket and the engine itself and just try to move this around a little bit to try to break it free. What I do next is use some locking pliers. And I'm going to come right on that sensor itself, and I just want to grip onto it strong enough that it'll hold it. Now I can wiggle this around. It's pretty free. I'm going to continue on by prying in between the locking pliers and the engine itself and just see if I can pop it out of there. A little bit of sandpaper inside the hole there. Just try to clean it up so it looks fairly decent. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new sensor. Before we go ahead and do that though, I like to put a nice thin coating of lubricant along the gasket area. So let's put that on there. Put it going around. That's going to help keep moisture out of this area. Perfect. Let's get ready to install it. I'm going to try to line up the bolt hole. Give it a nice even push on the way in. Let's get our mounting bolt back in there. Okay, that's bottomed out. Now let's torque this to 27 foot-pounds. Now we're going to put our sensor wire back on here. I just like to put a little bit of dielectric grease along the wiring. Push it in so it clicks, give it a nice tug, make sure it's fully secured. That looks great.